It's a beautiful bit of snow on the mountains. It tells me it's still a little bit early to just get those seedlings out in the glass house. Alright, bye. Right, here's the start of the mess I got out here. Got to chop all these old plants out. These plants kept on going through the winter. But anyway, I've progressed with this. I think this thermomass is actually working. It's just that I haven't got it set up properly yet. I've got to get it done to those plants that I've got inside. They're so big now, I've actually got to plant them. Got to get my shit together. It's not too bad. It's about 7 degrees outside, but it's about 25 in here. It's good. Alright. This saw makes easy work of it. Cut through the roots. And just pull it out like that. When you've got 50 to do, that's a good way of doing it. It shows you how much I drink. I've been told there's two kinds of people in this world, Pepsi Cola or Coca-Cola. I just happen to be Pepsi Cola, so got this side emptied out, and what I'll do now is I'll get some food in here. Look at the roots on these things, they're unbelievable. A lot of these ashes have got carbon in it, it won't do any harm. Hopefully this will, if I add 6 inches of stuff on top of here, it'll keep the weeds down next to zero. Well, good morning boys and girls. I finally got this finished out here. Didn't have quite enough bottles for my thermal mass, but there's not much there, so I'll get that finished off in the next couple of weeks probably. What I've got is fertiliser, wood ash, wood chips, a bit of charcoal and other stuff in there, but there's a lot of fert in here. So I'll put the irrigation on for probably an hour, and I'll put some snail pellets down and around this place, and tomorrow I'll bring those seedlings that are so huge out there. I've got some that are 8 or 10 inches high, like 200 or 300 mil. They've just gone crazy under those lights with the heat pad, so I'll put them out after I get this all wet. Leave them out here overnight, let them harden up, and then I'll plant them. I'll have to, and I'll work on the last lot of it. So I hope everyone has a good day, and that's it. Bit of a disaster out here, had a flood, gone down a bit. This filter obviously froze to death and got a huge split in it, so I'll replace that tomorrow and put these snail baits down, so we'll bring these plants out and we'll get them going. Good morning boys and girls. I've got these plants out here. Look at the size of those things. Some of them are about 10 inches high. It's a month early. I've got no choice. I've got to start planting them. I'll separate these tomorrow and arrange them into a system where they get some water with the irrigation. Snails, dozens of them, but they're all dead as Julius Caesar, so tomorrow I'll get 8 plants in, get these separated, organise the watering, so I hope everyone has a good day. Right, good morning boys and girls. I've got these plants out here in the greenhouse. I brought them out here yesterday. They are not happy. Just putting it mildly. It's cold. I mean, it dropped to about 6 degrees last night, but I repaired that filter, and I'll give them a drink, and we'll see what we get tomorrow. So this is probably going to be the end of this series until something happens out here. But certainly they're not happy, and they're huge. Look at that plant there. I mean, that's a foot tall. So that's it for today, and I hope everyone has a good one.